This is what we have ahead of us. We are walking to the citadel, where we can get a really nice view of whole Amman. This is day 4, by the way. It's around 9 a.m. The weather is really nice, 22 degrees, cloudy. Nothing compared to yesterday, which we rose 37 degrees. This hill is killing me. This morning exercise is the best to digest your breakfast. And I'm really glad I'm not doing this with 37 degrees. So best day to visit the citadel. So from the downtown, the walk to the citadel is about 27 minutes. One thing that I noticed is that there are no motorbikes here. Compared to Egypt and many other countries where they are everywhere, here I couldn't see none. I don't know if they are forbidden or what. So actually Google Maps says 27 minutes, but this is the citadel. Now we just have to find the entrance. People are really friendly here. The guy that you just saw, they thought that we were lost and he gave me directions to get to the citadel. I'm going to follow the advice from yesterday's guide tour. Don't take cabs in the city center. Speaking about the taxis, I noticed that they are two different colors. There are yellow taxis and white taxis. I don't really know what's the difference. So let me know. So this is the view that you get from the citadel. It's kind of looking at the desert of buildings because of their color. So it's not that crowded as people told me. No queue, but most people are in groups. And yeah, I'm going to do this on my own. I think I had enough guided tours for at least one day. So yeah, I'm just going to walk this by myself and show you around. I would like to be able to approach and make them some questions, but yeah, I don't want to disturb them. Look at the paintings on the walls, the building walls. There's one there, and if I go all the way to the other side, there's another one. If you come here, try to find all the paintings on the buildings. There might be more. I just saw 2 more while I did this video. Okay, one thing that might be useful to know is that the place is full of these kind of signs and they have a lot of information. So if you're on a budget and you don't want to pay to the tour guide, then you can just do the tour by your own and look at these signs. There are quite a few, and they have a lot of information. So this is actually the place where the queue builds up, and it's because everybody wants to take a photo with the Hercules temple. So I think that this is finally the citadel. Well, actually everything is the citadel, but here you see actual buildings. What really annoys me about this path is the door at the end, or the opening. There's no alignment. It should be in the center, like in the middle, and it's on the left side. I could be wrong though. Looking at this drawing, it seems that it was perfectly aligned to the door or the opening. So yeah, I don't know anymore. Maybe they just did some modifications after. So many cats. They are hunting a bee. Oh, they are trying to hunt the bee, but they fail. I've seen those boxing machines in many places, but this one seems to be broken. Along this way there are some galleries and some small souvenir shops. Thank you.
عرباي.
Hello, sir. Can I have one, please? Yeah. Thank you. Keep change. Keep change. So this is sugarcane juice. It's really sweet, and it reminds me a bit the coconut juice. It's just that this one is has more sweet in it, more sugar, of course. So it's really sweet. But after drinking a bit, you get used to it, and it's really good actually. Jordan is mostly stairs up. Oh god. This is a Rainbow Street, one of the top areas to visit in Amman. I'm going to show you what's the biggest scam in Jordan. So let me guess, you're disappointed and you thought that the biggest scam in Jordan was a horse ride or a camel ride or some person on the street trying to make you do something. But no, the biggest scam in Jordan are those ATMs. And the reason why is because they have high fees and high rates. So let me give you an example. I made an extraction of 45 dinars and they charged me basically 73 US dollars. According to Google, 45 dinars equals about 60 euros. So they charged me in euros. Sorry, they charged me in dollars, and then they made the conversion to euros. So basically there were two conversions plus the fee, which ended up on almost 70 euros instead of 60. This is our last day at Amman, so we thought about going to one of the terraces that you can find on Rainbow Street. This place is called Rooftop by Sailing, and it has this view. As far as I know, it's one of the top rated places. This beer cost €6.50. We are queuing at Habibah to get Knafeh's typical sweet. Is this what that you see here? It was really cheap. It was less than $1. You see, they are everywhere. This is the proof.